The Draper Jet Force diesel space heater range consists of 6 high-quality heaters, featuring 2 that are made from stainless steel and are fitted with Danfoss fuel pumps. They range in heat output from 45,000 BTUs at 13 kilowatts all the way up to 175,000 BTUs at 51 kilowatts and are very economical, with a 10 to 15 hour running time on 1 tank of fuel. All 6 models are fitted with automatic ignition, a photocell safety device, and an inline air filter for reliable operation. These heaters are designed to be used in a well-ventilated, semi-open space, such as a garage workshop, where doors have to be left open for vehicles to enter and exit. So don't work in the cold. Get a Draper Jet Force diesel space heater.